Jim, I just wanted to show you how to get to that Newsbank library database if you're interested in that, just to see the 2020 election information that they just put in there. It looks pretty cool, and maybe a good start for a lot of your students. So to get there, you would go to the library homepage, of course, click on library. On the library homepage, you'll just want to click on the second tab over, e-resources, and you'll want to scroll down to Newsbank. And then, it's just kind of right there. If you haven't logged in yet, of course, it's going to prompt you for your SID number, but, and here it just has information about the campaigns, strategies, some particular political issues. Looks like it has something on every single, candidate at one point, and then just some other interesting information. So, yeah, I thought it might be something you might want to take a deeper look at or have your students take a deeper look at. All right, take care. Bye.